FOSS Pulse News, your free and open source software daily news is here. Intel merges Nova Lake audio support for Linux kernel 6.19. The upcoming Linux kernel 6.19 update includes merged support for Intel's new Nova Lake processors, enhancing audio capabilities on these devices. Print enhancements accelerate Linux boot times. The upcoming Linux kernel version 6.19 introduces improvements to the print function, which can significantly reduce boot times for some systems. Linux 6.19 enhances temperature monitoring. The latest Linux kernel update, version 6.19, introduces advanced temperature monitoring capabilities for both the Steam Deck CPU and Apple's Silicon SMCs. NVIDIA introduces CUDA 13.1 with tile model. NVIDIA has launched CUDA 13.1, featuring the innovative CUDA tile programming model aimed at enhancing GPU performance and efficiency. Linux 6.19 addresses thundering herd in large NUMA servers. The Linux kernel version 6.19 introduces a solution to the thundering herd problem, particularly impacting large non-uniform memory access and NUMA servers. Rust-written Redux OS's initial Wayland port. The open-source operating system Redux, developed entirely in the Rust programming language, has introduced its first port of Wayland, a modern display server protocol. AWS unveils Graviton 5 with enhanced core count and cache. Amazon Web Services has announced the new Graviton 5 processor, boasting up to 192 cores per chip and a cache 5 times larger than its predecessors. Linux 6.19 enhances graphics drivers. The Linux kernel version 6.19 introduces new features in its GPU drivers, notably the Color Pipeline API and support for Intel Z3P and AMD GPU for GCN architectures. Linux NTFS3 supports pre-1970 timestamps. The Linux kernel version 6.19 includes an updated NTFS3 driver capable of handling timestamps prior to January 1, 1970. SVTVP9 updated after 5-year hiatus. Intel's open-source SVTVP9 codec, which hasn't seen updates since 2018, has received its first update in 5 years. Bcachefs introduces major reconcile feature. The Bcachefs file system has introduced its long-awaited reconcile feature, marking the most significant update in 2 years. FreeBSD 15.0 outperforms 14.3 on AMD EPYC. New benchmarks reveal that FreeBSD 15.0 offers improved performance over version 14.3, particularly when paired with AMD's EPYC processors. FOSS Pulse News, your free and open source software daily news is wrapping up for today. Stay free, stay open. See you tomorrow.